Someone left their dog in a car in the hot summer heat, and if I didn't have such anxiety over not having the right tools in my car, I wouldn't have been able to save this dog. I'm so glad I got this emergency toolkit for my car so that when these things happen, I can step in and actually do something about it. It's actually pretty cool. It comes with this air wedge pump that you use to create some space in the car door so that you can use the grabber to unlock the door or push down the window, whatever you need. You should definitely always have something like this in your car in case of emergency, and if you guys want to grab this one, I highly recommend it, and I've linked it below.